Hello and welcome to my Pentart Playbook series. I'm Shannon from Pick and Booze Vintage, and what I'm going to do is each month I'm going to show you a different set of Pentart products and describe how to use them. Pentart Crystal Paste comes in all four colors: silver, gold, green, and red. It's water-based and it will create a textured crystal-like finish. It's designed to add dimension and sparkle to your project. So first what you need to do is open it, and then you want to make sure you stir it. Give it a good stir. You can paint it on, stipple it on, or run it through a stencil. I'm going to do it on a stencil right here. I'm going to add a little bit of some texture and sparkle to this tag that I'm making. So you simply just run it through your stencil. Now when this dries, it'll dry and give a nice crystal sparkle to the tag. Pro tips: you can mix it with more glitter or other mica powders. You could add extra sparkle. You could combine it with the Pentart wax, put on top to give it an age look. But do keep in mind, you want to make sure you don't want to put all this down the drain. You want to wipe it back, get as much off before you wash it, because the paste will clog your drain. Crystal paste also comes in pen form: gold, red, green, and silver. Perfect for details. Now let's compare the difference between the bead paste and the crystal paste. You'll notice that they both give a beautiful shine, but the crystal paste has the glitter in it, and the bead paste has those glass beads. So both are beautiful, but they give just a little bit of a different look.